Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Learning English with Talk Maya channel. My name is Maya.
And my name is David.
We are so happy you are here today because it's Christmas time.
Yes, today we will learn how to talk about Christmas Day in English. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, this lesson is fun and useful.
We'll show you simple vocabulary, easy sentences, and a fun story at the end. So stay with us until the finish.
David, what do people usually do on Christmas morning? Many people wake up early, open presents, drink hot chocolate, and enjoy time with family.
Yes, and you can say, I wake up early on Christmas morning. I open gifts with my family. I drink hot chocolate.
Easy, right? What do you do on Christmas morning, Emma?
I eat cookies. A lot of cookies. Maybe too many.
You? Too many cookies? Never.
Believe me, Santa is not the only one eating cookies.
Let's talk about Christmas decorations. Repeat after us. Christmas tree. Lights. Ornaments. Stockings. Wreath.
You can say, I decorate my house. I put lights on the tree. I hang stockings.
Emma, do you decorate your house?
Yes. Last year, I put 200 lights on my tree.
200? That's not a tree, that's a small city.
Christmas is also about delicious food. Some common Christmas foods are roast chicken or turkey, mashed potatoes, cookies, hot chocolate, candy canes.
To talk about food, you can say, we eat a big Christmas dinner. My favorite Christmas food is cookies. We drink hot chocolate.
David, what's your favorite Christmas food?
Everything. If it's on the table, I eat it. Some Christmas activities include giving gifts, watching Christmas movies, singing Christmas songs, visiting family.
You can say, I give presents to my friends. I watch a Christmas movie. I visit my grandparents.
Maya, what Christmas movie do you watch every year?
Home Alone, every single year.
Classic. If you watch it 10 more times, you can be in the movie.
Now, here's a short, easy story for listening practice.
There is a boy named Tom. On Christmas morning, he wakes up early because he is excited.
He runs to the living room and sees a big Christmas tree with colorful lights.
Tom opens a small red gift. Inside is a pair of warm socks from his grandmother.
He loves them because last year he lost every sock he owned.
Then Tom and his family eat pancakes for breakfast and watch a Christmas movie together.
It is a simple day, but it feels warm and full of love.
Here are sentences you can use. Merry Christmas. I spend Christmas with my family. I open gifts in the morning. We have a big Christmas dinner. We watch Christmas movies.
Repeat these sentences to practice. Simple and easy.
Now it's your turn.
Today's question is, what do you do on Christmas Day? Tell us in the comments.
Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, tell us what you do on December 25.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video. It helps our channel a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next English practice video.
Thank you for learning with us.
Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and keep practicing your English. See you next time.